In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to detach a text style in Figma. If you've ever wanted to tweak the typography of a single text layer without changing your entire design system, this is a simple and safe way to do it. Detaching a style keeps everything you see on the canvas exactly the same, but it removes the link to the shared style so you can edit that one instance freely. Before we begin, here's what detach style actually means. When a text layer is connected to a shared text style, it inherits properties like font family, weight, size, line height, and letter spacing. That connection keeps your designs consistent and lets updates flow to every instance using the style. Detaching breaks that connection. The text keeps its current look, but it won't update if the original style changes later. Let's walk through it together. First, select the text layer that currently has a text style applied. You can click it directly on the canvas or find it in the Layers panel. With the layer selected, look to the right sidebar in the Typography or Text Style section. You should see the name of the style that's applied, usually shown as a labeled chip or drop-down. Next, hover your pointer over that style name. A small detach icon will appear, often shown as a broken link or unlink symbol. This icon is your cue that the text layer is tied to a shared style and that you have the option to disconnect it. Go ahead and click the detach icon. When you do, nothing should visibly change on your text. The font, size, spacing, and other settings remain exactly as they were. The key difference is that the text is no longer linked to the original style behind the scenes. From here, you're free to make any adjustments you like to this specific layer. Change the font family, tweak the size, refine the line height, or adjust letter spacing without affecting the shared style or any other layers that still use it. A few helpful notes as you work. Detaching is ideal when you need a one-off variation, such as a unique headline or a special callout. Keep in mind that once detached, this text won't receive updates if your design system's text style changes. Also, if you only need small overrides, like changing the color or letter case, you may not need to detach at all. Figma allows certain overrides while keeping the base style intact, which helps maintain consistency. That's it. Clean, controlled, and easy. Now you can confidently detach a text style in Figma whenever you need precise local control.